you found yourself blaming the algorithm or your friend who hasn't shared your post, I've got good news for you. Standing out is much more in your control than you might realize. Today we're going to talk about positioning, and I'm pretty sure that this will answer many of your questions regarding building your personal brand. So without further ado, here goes 3 questions to stand out from the crowd. And the first question is, who is it for? When it comes to personal branding, there's a special rule at play, and that is that we connect best with people who are similar to us. Let me explain. This is not about demographics or creating a personality for your business. This is about understanding who you are at your core and then showing up with intention. So let's imagine, for example, that you would want to create a cooking channel. And you would have seen Martha Stewart having all of this success throughout all of these years, so you just decide to dress like her, talk like her, walk like her. I'm sorry to burst your dream, but that wouldn't work out. Because when you show up as someone else, you will start to attract people that don't naturally resonate with you. And that will make it very complicated to genuinely communicate and work with them in the long run. And if you're wondering, how do I get to better understand myself and the ones I want to serve? This is where you want to look at brand archetypes. So the first person who coined the term archetypes was psychologist Carl Jung. According to Jung, humans possess a collective consciousness that's able to recognize repeating structures in human behavior, which are universally understood across countries and cultures. I know, but bear with me because this is getting interesting. These repeating structures, or archetypes, can broadly be defined into 12 different types. The innocent, the everyman, the hero, the rebel, the explorer, the creator, the ruler, the magician, the lover, the caregiver, the jester, and the sage. And if you're wondering, wait, how can I use these to build my brand? I have a whole series on brand archetypes coming your way, so you can check out which one you most resonate with and which crowd you will serve most effectively. Till then, let's move on to question number 2. What's the purpose of your brand? First off, yes, of course, we all need to pay our bills and live a good life. But if you want to get chosen over your competitor, your audience has to feel what you stand for beyond profit. And let me be clear, this is not about just having a fancy tagline. This is about a theme that fuels your communication through and through. Because the truth is, nothing makes a person or a brand more uninteresting than being self-serving. My favorite tale of caution here is that Pepsi commercial where they imitate the Black Lives Matter movement and then Kendall Jenner appears to save the world with a Pepsi. Yeah, that one. Whatever you do, don't be Pepsi. Your purpose and theme should always be genuine, and you are most persuasive when people can truly feel why you do what you do. So you want to find that answer and make that your theme. And the third question is, what are your people tired of hearing? So once you know what kind of impact you want to have and what kind of client you want to attract, you want to keep close attention to repetitive messaging in the market. Because this is your opportunity to stand out with a unique message and differentiate yourself from your competitors. As an example, let's have a quick throwback to the cosmetics market in 2004. Every magazine was showing the same kind of size 0 Abercrombie & Fitch style model, and frankly, women just had it. Enter Dove with the first ever body positive cosmetics campaign. Want another one? When the leadership book market was saturated with performance-driven advice, it was Brené Brown who broke through the noise saying, well, maybe leadership is about being vulnerable and embracing one's imperfections. So as you can see, standing out isn't really about writing an algorithm or creating a super shareable social media post. It's about understanding what you stand for, finding a gap in the market, and making that your opportunity. And as promised, if you're ready to stop thinking about your personal brand and start building it, I've got something for you. The Personal Branding Checklist, where I teach you about the 7 elements of highly impactful personal brands so you can apply them right away. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care, and I'll catch you guys next time.